Hey everyone, before the year comes to an end, I wanted to slow things down for a moment. No tutorial today, no deep technical setups, just a look back at 2025 and a sincere thank you and a look ahead to what's coming in 2026. One quick heads up before we really start. In 2026, I'm planning to organize the content into clearer, more focused channels. I'll explain that a bit later. Nothing is disappearing, and you'll always stay in control of what you follow. I also want to be honest with you. 2025 wasn't the fastest or most consistent year on this channel, and it's okay. I took January completely off from uploading. Between February and mid-April, I published 5 videos. After that, the channel went quiet for a while. Not because of the lack of ideas, and not because I lost interest, but because health and balance had to come first. Between personal pressure and work-related stress, my body told me to stop. At one point, my blood pressure was far too high, and I had to hit pause on everything, including my work. That wasn't an easy decision, but it was the right one. But around October, things slowly started to change. I had a few weeks of vacation, my energy came back, and the motivation to create returned. Since then, I've uploaded 8 new videos, and we've done 2 live streams together. That comeback, creating again in a healthy and sustainable way, means more to me than any statistics ever could. And looking back, there were still some important milestones. We hit YouTube monetization around October 2024, and throughout 2025, that income helped reinvest directly into the channel. That means better gear, a better setup, and better overall production. Memberships also continued to grow this year, and that support genuinely helps more than you might realize. Another important step happened on December the 1st. I officially registered myself as a business. That doesn't change the spirit of this channel, but it does help me build this with more responsibility and with a long-term mindset. I also want to be very clear about something. I still work full-time at my day job, so time and energy are always in a balance. Right now, the best way to support the channel is through memberships. Not as an obligation, not as pressure, but as a way to help support everything behind the scenes, while I continue growing this in a healthy way. So looking ahead to 2026, one of the bigger changes will be how the content is organized. So instead of putting everything into one channel, the plan is to split things into 3 focused channels. The main channel stays exactly what it is today: evergreen enterprise style content. Think Active Directory, security, infrastructure, and real-world setups that you can return to even years from now. The second channel will focus on home lab and more experimental content, more playful projects, testing ideas, things that don't always fit in an enterprise format. So if that's your thing, it's there. If not, it won't clutter your feed. And the third channel will be dedicated to live streams. So live content doesn't interfere with the regular videos, and you can follow it only if you enjoy live sessions. Nothing is being taken away. This isn't about forcing anyone to move. It's about clarity, focus, and creating better content for everyone. Another important change is the website. I've recently renewed Mylemans Online to better reflect the business side of what I'm building. All the blog style content now lives on blog.mylemans.online. Nothing is lost, nothing is broken. All the old links automatically redirect to their new locations, so bookmarks and shared links keep working as expected. This will help keep the main site clean and professional, while the blog stays focused on more the deep technical content. Next year, I also want to introduce a small evergreen series called If I Started in IT Today. It's a series about building a sustainable IT career. Not about trends or shortcuts, but about fundamentals, ownership and communication. And building a career you still enjoy 10 years from now. It is aimed at people starting in IT, those who feel stuck mid-career, and seniors who recognize these lessons in hindsight. So to everyone who watched this year, who commented, who shared the video or supported the channel in any way, a big thank you. And a special thank you to the members. Your support makes more of this possible than you might realize. Looking ahead to 2026, the focus is simple. More structure, more consistency, and more practical real-world content. More enterprise, more home labs, more live streams. We will build it step by step and done in ways that's sustainable. Thank you for being a part of 2025. I wish you and your loved ones a healthy, successful, and a wonderful 2026. If you are excited for what's coming up next year, make sure you are subscribed. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Take care, and I'll see you in 2026. If I had to start my IT career all over again today, knowing everything I know now, I would not start with certifications, I would not start with cloud, and I would definitely not start by chasing job titles.